is Shan from PTE Plus, and today I'm going to talk about how you can make the most use of the mock exam, especially with analyzing the score report so that you know exactly which question types you need to target the most in order to most effectively increase your performance. Now, mock exams are really important because it gives you that full 3 hours simulation of the real thing, and at the end you get the score report that tells you how you've performed. This is an example of what it looks like. Now, the first page gives you the same insights as the official exam, where you can see your communication skill scores and your enabling skill scores. And you can see that for the student, they are pretty close to their 79 target score for writing, but there is still a bit to go for speaking, reading, and listening. Now, if you're stopping here and going off to practice, then come back because there is a second page. Right now, this page gives you an additional breakdown of your performance by every single question type. So if you really understand and analyze this, you're actually going to be able to find out which question types you need to practice more in. That is going to allow you to accelerate your improvement. Now, some students will look at the question types with the lowest performance and try to practice more in them first. But that's not necessarily the best way to improve because different question types have different weights and contribute different amounts towards your final score. So some question types are actually more important and contribute more than others. For example, with speaking, repeat sentence, read aloud, and describe image have the most weight. So you really want to be raising them as much as possible to around 78 to 82% if you're aiming for 79. And for the student, you can see they're pretty close already for repeat sentence and read aloud, but they will really need to practice more of their described image as well. Now, with reading, fill in the blanks contribute a lot because one blank counts for 1 mark. So you want to be really working on that 55% for the reading fill in the blanks. Now, the other thing is read aloud from speaking actually contributes quite a bit to your reading score as well. So if you improve on read aloud, you are actually going to help with reading as well. Now, with listening, the question types that are more important are summarize spoken text and write from dictation. And then after that, it's fill in the blanks, select missing words, and highlight incorrect words. So you can see that the student is doing pretty well in most of them. So highlight incorrect words is the one that they need to focus on. Now, the thing is, repeat sentence and retell lecture from the speaking actually contribute quite a bit to listening as well. So you want to work on these two to improve your listening score even more. So these are the question types that this student should work on to more effectively increase their score. Hopefully this gives you a better idea about how to use the score report effectively, and we will also share more about how to tackle these question types more in the next few videos. So like this video and subscribe for more tips and updates. Also, try a mock exam yourself and we can help you to analyze which question types to practice based on your needs. Just get in touch with us on Facebook, email, or Wechat. I'll leave all this information and more in the description box below.